Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then separate clips and remove memory. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Now unscrew solid-state drive. Next, slide out and remove hard drive. Next, unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Next, unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.